Okay, this one's filming. Go live, go live. No! Cancel! And now.
Are you making chocolate?
Yes, we're making chocolate milk right now.
That sounds delicious. Oh.
True. Actually, I can't. My arm's not long enough.
Action!
I can't do it. My arm's not long enough. Trust me, I would if I could. Duke's a hazard.
Oh yeah.
When I say stop, please stop. Stop, you're good. Magic. No, magic. Stop. No, stop. Stop. Yeah, you're good. Yeah. No, wait. You're good. Perfect here. Park it. No, stop moving. What are you doing to me?
Hey, that might be a good blooper later.
So you're on, 1 and 2 is on, okay, and we have audio, okay, so, yeah, live, Lucas for the Gravity Car Rally, go live.
Awesome.
Okay, there we go, we're live, it's recording, so, we did a thing that is amazing.
Yeah.
We met on the rally and I went around to interview people basically, and we were talking, and I got a new car for Pantheon's Garage right here. So we got a 2000 S2000. What are we gonna do with that?
We have many big plans. It's gonna be amazing. We're just gonna say Fast and the Furious.
And we have the compressor going off. And the compressor is off. So we're going on Gravity Rally, which is Cancer Awareness Rally. Coming to frame a bit.
Yep.
There we go. And we're gonna build that car into one of the S2000 cars that you see in Fast and Furious. So yesterday we went through all the part lists.
Yep.
We found everything, and basically the S2000 is gonna be ready. Yeah, the Skyline went on the previous rally, and on that side, the AMG, the V12 went on the previous rally. So we're gonna prepare everything, and that's gonna be absolutely amazing. We're gonna come back here in 2-3 weeks.
Yeah, 2 weeks. Do many things.
And we're gonna start working on it. Now here's the fun part. He actually knows stuff about building cars, which I don't.
Hey, so this is gonna work out great. So the track car is right up here on the lift, which you can't see, but we're gonna do the same thing to the S2000. It'll be great.
Yes. So unlike me, he has actually taken engine out before.
Yes.
Well, I kind of did that too. It's just the engine didn't go back in. So it's different kind of work
okay.
altogether. So for the S2000, we're gonna do the inside of the car.
Inside the car.
We're gonna do the outside of the car.
Outside the car.
And we're gonna do some engine work.
Some engine work.
So
Yes.
that's gonna be exciting.
Yes, absolutely.
Do you think it's gonna be easy, hard? What do you figure the challenge is gonna be on this one?
The idea is stay tuned. It will be an interesting project, and we're gonna learn a lot, I think. And it's gonna be great when we're done.
Okay, so this is also the first time you've driven an S2000.
Yeah.
And you were really surprised by that.
Thoroughly surprised. The car is incredible. Like, I was totally blown away.
So tell me about the rev limiter that you saw in there, and
Oh,
compared
yeah.
to the AMG. Tell me that experience.
Yeah, absolutely. So the AMG is a 5200 redline. This one's over 9000. It's something different. It's incredible. I like it.
So with the 9000 rev line on the GTR, it's gonna be good.
Yeah.
So yeah, so stay tuned for everything and enjoy your day, guys.
Yep. Have a good one.
Thanks for watching our videos. Hope you like them. Make sure to like and subscribe to the channel. And if you have time, go check us out on other social medias to see what's going on.